Here I have Honor X1A, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then go to the Fix and Manage section. Select Import from SIM. Then select which contacts you want to import. You can select them one by one here, and then just tap Import. And after that, these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.